tayo din ay mamamayang Pilipino. Being a Filipino citizen, we are founded on the principles that we have our individual rights and responsibilities. Being a Filipino citizen, we must acknowledge the fact that that before anything else, we are citizens first. Every year we encourage you guys to vote straight to pass. At ang ibig namin sabihin dito, iboto ninyo ang plataforma ng partido namin. We believe that this is the platform that you all deserve. This is the platform that will fight for your rights as engineering students. Galyaro, Ingeniero, vote for the platform that will bring a community of empowered Lasallian engineers. Vote for the platform that will bring academic progress for this country and for this college and for this university. Vote for the platform that will bring change in this society. Vote for the platform that is dapat sa inyo! College of Engineering, let us build a community of active engineers for social development. Together, let us build roads and bridges for the progress of this college, this university, and this country.